Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. Happy to announce that we have officially been accepted to the Boxerfest car show. That's going to be this month, August 18th, in the York Fairgrounds in Pennsylvania. So if anyone is going to be attending that show, definitely stop by, say hi, and I can actually meet some of you guys instead of just talking to this camera sometimes. So without further ado, we're going to be doing some aesthetic mods to the car today. So let's go over to the bench and I'll show you what we got. Let's go. All right, and over at the bench, you can see we have this large carbon fiber intake scoop that is going to be replacing our factory plastic one here. So we'll get this one popped off in just a sec. We'll do a side-by-side comparison. Then I also picked up some more DEI Reflect-A-Gold tape. When you look at the engine bay, it's kind of just black with some carbon fiber, and then we do have our nice gold pipe there, also wrapped in DEI tape. So this is a sheet, and I want to attempt to wrap the box. So I'm going to get this box taken out. We'll wrap this as well. We'll see how it looks. If it looks good, I'll keep it like that. If it looks bad, maybe I'll just peel it off and we'll just rock it like that. But I really think it will look good, and it is going to reflect some of the heat from the engine. So the radiant heat getting on the box could heat up this area. With the gold tape, it would reflect that heat a little bit better. Same concept with the tape on our intercooler pipe. And just real quick, I'll show you guys how to take this off. You have these two clips right here. You can spin that and then it should just pop right out. Same thing with this side. Spin it and then it will pop right out. So once you get the two middle pieces out, you can just take the top one, like the other piece, and it just pops right off. Super quick, super easy, and comes right out. And to take our ETS box off, we do have one Allen bolt here, and then 10 mil, and then a 10 mil. So grab your Allen key. This is a 5 mil, and it should just come right off. All right, so over here we have the stock scoop and we have our Noble Performance. This is the OE style intake scoop. So just want to do a quick side-by-side comparison before we get our ETS box wrapped. So you can see on the inlet side, both sides comparison. You can see this one is just fully open and the OEM one has like a divider and just slightly smaller. And the same thing goes for the front as well. The front has these air dividers and it's just a little bit smaller of an opening of the Noble Performance. So this should just, literally should just clip right on. Should be very quick to get this put back on. But let's get our box wrapped. We'll see what this thing looks like. We'll get it back in our engine bay and we'll get our carbon fiber scoop from Noble Performance put on. Let's go. Got the top done. I think it actually looks pretty good. Those creases are just like in the tape. I can't actually get them out. I've tried like if you just smooth it down with your thumb, they do just come back. But this is as flat as I could get it laid. I just got it wrapped around some of the edges. So I want to do this side of the box. This is probably the most important part of the box is the engines right here. So the heat is actually the radiant heat is hitting this and then heating up the box. Top is more for aesthetic, I would assume, but let's get this side wrapped and this thing's gonna look great. Let's keep going. Just like that, our box is gold wrapped. I think it looks really nice, came out great. The scoop is gonna come right here. It's gonna cover this front section. Top is going to be exposed. This back side, that's just gonna be against our like fuse box and like ABS. And then this is where the engine is. So nice big gold sheet right there, reflect the heat off. So let's get everything put back in. We got our Noble Performance OE style scoop to put on, our ETS box with our new DEI tape. So let's go, let's get this put on. Just like that, everything's put back together. We got our new Noble Performance carbon fiber intake scoop on, and we got our ETS box wrapped in our DEI tape. I really think that does look good. Just looking over, you can see it's kind of reflecting. You see some yellow down there. That's just the gold reflecting off the light behind me. But that looks really cool. Just like looking at, just add something else to the engine bay. I really want to get a dress-up bolt kit for this car. Just not sure what color to get. And it will replace all these plastic ones with like some nice titanium or some stainless steel hardware. Put in the comments below what color you think I should do as far as a dress-up kit. I'm not sure if I will be able to get that in time before Boxerfest, but I am going to leave this on for Boxerfest. So once you're there, you can tell me if it looks too shiny or not, but I think it looks pretty great. I think overall the engine bay is definitely improving. New carbon fiber scoop and some gold. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Stay tuned for more 22 WRX content. Until next week, see ya.